Hi, I'm Shibboleth. In this video, I'm going to share with you and show you how to use a Dermaroller safely at home to maximize the penetration of your expensive or organic facial products. Without using the tool, your product that you're using for your face, you're only receiving about less than 40% is penetrating actually to your skin and working. By using this tool, it'll penetrate and it will work at least 70% plus. I mean, I have no makeup on and I'm glowing. So if you want your skin to glow and you want to try something at home that's affordable, that's going to help fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, you want to tighten up your skin, and my biggest thing is complexion, because I was dealing with melasma and I could not find anything that can really help. I mean, if you look at my YouTube video, I've tried a lot of things and it just helps here and there, but I need something that I need ongoing and just keep it up because the melasma wasn't going away. By safely using this product, it's going to open up the channels of your skin. By it doing that, you're going to naturally stimulate growth factors of building collagen in your face or wherever you apply it at. Some people use this on their hand and their neck. So this is the roller I'll be using today by Dermaroller system. I love the packaging because it's really easy to read and it's very detailed. Roller is beautiful black with this purple. I like to examine the roller and see if any of the fine needles are bent, because that can do damage to your skin than actually helping your skin. And usually this company always provides great needles. It looks really good. So on the package, it's saying different directions to go with the roller. You know, you want to make sure you go in every angle, and I'm going to show you on camera so then you can see once you order it in every direction. And that's their website right there, so make for sure you look at it. I'm actually going to honor you guys a discount code right there, and this one is very extremely affordable. You close up. It comes in this like hard plastic container because this is where you're going to put the alcohol in to sterilize it, and you could lightly spin it while it's in the alcohol or any cleaning solution that you want to put it in. See, like that. So before you use the Dermaroller system, you guys, you want to make for sure you sterilize your hands and your face. Really clean it, deep clean it with some kind of great soap. Get all the makeup, dead skin, buildup, anything. Wipe it off even with alcohol and push your hair back. I have this wonderful little thing. I'm just going to push it further back, as you see. So nothing. You know, when I open up the challenge of my skin, I don't want to get no infection or a really bad reaction or anything. So, you know, and then wherever you're going to apply it on, you make for sure it's really clean. So this is the soap that I'm going to use as a mild soap. It has kale in it to really clean the face. I wash it. Just want to make for sure it's really clean. I have used this Dermaroller before to test it out, and I really like it. All right, I have the Dermaroller sitting in the bathroom in alcohol. Make sure that's really clean, and then I'm gonna rinse it with hot water and I'm gonna get to work. So once I rinse this soap off, I might pat my face lightly with this a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Then I'm gonna rinse that off, and then I'm gonna use the Fenty, well, I'll show you guys this Fenty toner. Completely clean face. This Fenty Fat Water. I'm just gonna pat that on because I think that's gonna help penetrate in my skin because it's like a toner. Now I do have some of my skin pin treatments that I did from my previous video, you guys, that I got professionally done, because the needle is much longer but thinner and the healing process is much faster. So I was doing a comparison to see what would give me the best results, and this was what was left over from that treatment. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit of this after. Now I cleaned my Dermaroller system. It can be used on your scalp too. I'll show you guys that in another video to stimulate hair growth, you know, and improve hair thickness. But today we're doing it on my face. I'm not scared. Like, you don't need numbing cream or anything. It does have fine needles on there. I do double check over and over again, make sure they're all straight, none are folding down. Some people say to roll down. I like to roll up. I don't know. And I like to relax my face. Sometimes I like to pull it, and I like to go very nice and slow, so I'm not scarring my face or anything. I put a little bit of pressure in the areas where I want it to be penetrated more. I try to go every little direction I can think of. Yes, your face will get a little bit red. You do not want to see blood or anything like that. It says about 4 times, but I just go until I feel like my skin had enough. Everybody's different. You have to fill it out to see what's going to work for you, you know? You don't supposed to go this close to the eye, but because the needle is so little, there we go. See how I'm going in all those different directions? Can't really see the difference yet. It actually feels relaxing on the face. Put more of the Fenty water on there. Now, if you don't have Fenty water, if you have some kind of like mild soap, I guess maybe you could still use it. I'm not a professional. I'm just using what works for me. I do use flaxseed a lot because I think that's a great thing to penetrate in the skin for nice results as well. Be really steady with your strokes. Don't like twist or vibrate or shake or anything, because this is not meant to go like that. Just follow the roller in the direction it wants to go and make for sure you keep doing different directions so it can penetrate more holes. I don't think my nose is needed. I'm going in the areas where I want it to be more fuller and tone, where my skin is more saggy. I will put a little bit of vitamin C because this is during the day. I usually like to do this at night. And I will put a little bit of sunblock. All right, let's get that forehead cracking like it. I'm orangey, guys. I'm loving the results. So this is for calming, so it won't be all irritated or anything. I'm just gonna use whatever is left. A couple little tiny dots, especially under the eye. And you see I didn't wash my face after because I want to leave it alone. This one I'm applying a little bit thicker. And voila. I'm gonna wear a little visor because I gotta go pick up my kids from school. And I love it, I love it, I love it. It's a little burning, but when I hit it like this, it calms it down. Final results of the nice facelift. Well, I enjoy using my Dermaroller. I hope you guys really enjoyed, self-care at home video. So on that note, I will see you guys later on my next videos. Hit that subscribe button right there and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys when we start back. Hopefully you saw that eclipse. Bye.